Okay, today we're going to look to see how a student could use the text-to-speech feature that's in Microsoft Word to read an Algebra 1 word problem in case they had difficulty accessing or difficulty reading the problems. So you come up here, it's under Review. It's under the Review tab in Microsoft Word. Then they will get this Read Aloud Speech option. Press on there. They start from the beginning. They're going to start from the top here on the title, and then just using the play buttons that appear up here on the right. They're just going to start playing.
Algebra 1 word problems. John, in the limits, has started an intense workout regime.
The student could then pause it while they do their math work to figure out how many days, how much can he squat after those 15 days of training. And then when they've figured out the answer to that one, they can continue on.
As a part of John's workout regime,
Again, they could pause at the end of that one to do their calculations. If for any reason they needed to go back, they could do that. Reverse to the next,
every day.
Have it reread. Once they get clarification, they could skip on to the next problem. They can pause it, they can reverse to the previous problem, they could go ahead to another problem, and it gives them, for math work, it definitely gives them the opportunity to pause that, complete their math work before it keeps talking through the next problem.
Carol, a fellow
And that's how we use the text-to-speech feature in Microsoft Word.